Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Vicks Vapour Rub for belly fat, and I have some befores and afters to share with you guys. So my friend and I wanted to do this experiment where you put Vicks on your stomach, and we wanted to actually see if it did take any fat off or any inches. So we measured ourselves before and after, and we did see results, so stay tuned. So basically we went to Dollarama, we got Vicks. It was $3, low investment. This is not actually Vicks, but it has the same medicinal ingredients, so make sure it has camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus, because those are the active ingredients found in Vicks. So we both did our before measurements. We both are different weights and different body types, so we wanted to see how this would affect both of our, different bodies. And I measured 28 inches at the smallest part of my waist, 33 inches along my hips. My friend measured 34 inches at the smallest part of her waist, 37.5 inches along her hip bone. Those were our official before measurements. Then what we did is we took the Vicks, oh my god, we slathered it all over our entire torso in like the thickest layer possible, all from the bottom of the breast down to the hips, and then same on the back. After that, we wrapped ourselves as tight as we could in many layers of saran wrap. Then we put our clothes back on over top of this, and then for added compression, I put on a waist trainer and she put on a body shaper. We walked around like that for about 2 hours. You can definitely feel the Vicks working on your skin when you're waiting. You can feel the cooling / burning sensation all over your torso, so you will feel something going on if you try this. And I also kind of noticed that I almost felt like my waist trainer was looser. Hey guys, update on our Vicks Vapour Rub experiment. So we're still both wearing the waist trainer or body shaper over top of the Vicks saran wrap. And both of us feel like it's starting to move.
Yeah, it's starting to move. It's no longer stiff. It's starting to move.
Yeah, though my waist trainer feels looser on me. I know how it feels. I wear it all the time. I don't know, does yours feel?
This one you can definitely feel it sliding up, and I'm always adjusting it and stuff.
Yeah, so we feel like it's burning. When we first put it on, the first 10 minutes, it was burning and a cooling, when you put Vicks on.
Yeah.
But your whole torso felt like that.
And you can feel it kind of itchy on me,
yeah.
But it might not happen on everyone else, but me and her specifically, towards the end, it's definitely starting to get itchy.
So that is our update. Probably in the next half an hour, we're going to take it off and do the measurements for the end result. So yeah, I'll see you then. Bye. And she felt like her body shaper was looser, but it might have been placebo. I don't know, but I just felt like it was looser. After the 2 hours, we took everything off and our stomachs were really gross and disgustingly sweaty. We did our official after measurements. I was the same. I had a 28-inch waist and 33-inch hips, so I did not change at all. However, my friend saw a dramatic difference in her after measurements. She measured 31 inches in the small part of her waist, so she was down an entire 3 inches in her waist, and her hips measured 34.5 inches, so down an entire 3 inches along her hips. That is a huge amount of inches to lose in such a short amount of time. So in conclusion, I don't think Vicks can actually melt belly fat. It's just not physically possible to melt actual fat that fast. But it got rid of bloating and water retention. So if you have a lot of that going on, bloating and water retention, and you have an event to go to, you're going to go to the club or a wedding or something, if you try the Vicks experiment, you might be able to knock off a few inches. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that this is going to work for your body type, but like I said, if you have a lot of bloating and a lot of water retention, there's a good chance that you will knock off a few inches, because that's what happened with my friend. So yes, it does work. Clearly it worked. Not for me, but for my friend. If you guys enjoy befores and afters like this, weight loss videos, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of that. Watch my waist training video. It's about how I was able to lose 2 inches in my waist from waist training, and I lost 12 pounds in 17 days. Thanks you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!